Oh, here's a different kind of block that's like falls down, which is another thing I kind of would need to model. So like how do I even model this? The normal block is just I hit it and then, so for a normal block, we need to not only know how it looks, we also need to know what tool we can use to put it away, or to mine it, to destroy it. There's probably more information. Okay, let's walk through this. We have different kinds of blocks, and one thing I can represent about the block is how it looks and what shape it has, a 3D model and a texture. That would be a concept that I can build up of the block. Another thing I can save into this block concept is how I can interact with the block. One way in which I can interact with the block is by performing this action, which is like left click. And I guess we can have sort of different contexts in left click. We can we can have different tools. So we can have a select a thing down here, and then we can left click, and that changes the behavior of the left click and of the right click. And we can basically ask we can save different contexts. So a context would be like, what do we have selected down here? We need to realize that that is a determining factor. That's just important what we have selected. And then we need to specify. So we could kind of create a lookup table that tells us or we can create a function that takes as argument. Okay, let me write this down.